All right, so Shopify is running a limited time promo right now where you can try it out for free for 3 days, no credit card needed, and then get any plan for just $1 a month for 3 whole months, 90 days, full access, basically the price of a bad cup of coffee. And honestly, that's more than enough time to get your store off the ground and maybe even start making money before you ever pay full price. To get the deal, you'll want to use the link I've dropped below in the description. That's what actually activates the 1-month promo after your trial ends. Heads up though, if you've already used your email with Shopify before, they won't give you the deal again. Just sign up with a fresh email and you're good. Once you're on the sign up page, it's pretty simple. Just pop in your email and hit start free trial. Shopify will walk you through a quick setup. At one point, it'll ask for your payment info, but you can skip that. No card needed up front, which surprised me because I kept racing for it and it never came. Those first 3 days are completely pressure free, so you can just explore everything without worrying about being charged. They'll ask you a few basic questions, stuff like your experience level, where you're planning to sell, and what kind of products you'll be offering. I picked just getting started, went with drop shipping and selling through an online store and social media. Based on what you pick, Shopify tweaks your dashboard to match, which makes everything feel a lot less intimidating. You'll also choose your main selling country so Shopify can automatically set up your taxes, currency, and shipping. You can always change those later if needed. Once you hit create accounts, you'll be dropped straight into your new dashboard. From there, you can start playing around, explore the free and paid themes, start adding products, tweak your branding, and scroll through the app store to see what extras you want. Shopify's layout is super clean, and even if this is your first time doing any of this, it doesn't feel overwhelming. And if you want a deeper walkthrough, like how to set up everything from scratch, step by step, I've linked a full guide in the description. It breaks down everything in way more detail if you need the extra help. Now, let's talk plans. So Shopify's got a bunch, but if you're just starting out, go with the basic plan. Normally, it's $29 a month if you pay yearly or $39 per month monthly, but with the promo, it's just $1 per month for the first 3 months. You're not locked in either. You can upgrade or downgrade anytime. So if you want to try the more expensive plans like the Grow or Advanced ones, those are also just $1 per month for the first 3 months. Normally, they go for $105 per month and $399 per month. So if you want to test out extra features without the commitment, this is the time. If you're planning to sell in person too, there's a retail plan you can grab with the same discount. Just keep in mind, before your trial ends, Shopify will ask for payment info, either a card or PayPal, but don't worry, they won't bill you anything until the 3 days are up. I checked my billing history just to make sure, and lo and behold, just $1 per month, exactly as promised. That said, this $1 per month offer doesn't stick around forever. Shopify rotates these promos, so if you're thinking of launching your store soon, now's a great time to lock it in and give yourself a 3-month head start with basically no investment. And that is pretty much everything, guys. If you want the deal, don't go to Shopify directly or you'll miss it. Use the link in the description below to activate the promo. And if you want that full step-by-step tutorial to build your Shopify store from scratch, that's down there too. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll try to help you out. And if you found this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe. It helps the channel out a ton. Thanks for watching as always, and I will see you in the next one.